There's Switzerland, everybody. Look at it. Oh, you're going to see. Oh, yes. Lovely.
Welcome back. We're now on day 9, starting to make further progress up the country, as you can see from the map in front. Today's journey takes us from Lausanne in Switzerland into Dijon in France, so crossing back over the border. Today starts off a wet day, so we're going to be on motorways for most of this. As you can see, we're taking the A39 onto the A31, which takes us into Dijon, and as you see as we get into Dijon, a more beautiful day lies ahead than we've experienced at the very start of the journey. So less waffling, let's get back into it. Hope you enjoy the videos, give us a like if you do, and yeah, thanks for watching.
Fingers in these gloves are absolutely saturated. Look right, lean right, stay right.
Yeah, be right.
Go straight through here and out, turn right. So who's going to stop the boys? Away with you.
Probably in the wrong country you'd be saying that. See the arrow, we go up that street maybe, or do you want to go on to the next?
Go on down past that hotel there and see. Usually where there's a hotel, there's a few restaurants and bits and bobs around it. So we're still at the lakes.
Well, this is it, we're still in the spot.
Get a picture of the fog.
Yeah.
Picture of the fog. And here is more Swiss fog.
No more easy. No, but is it just like, there's not open area or something?
Imagine they would be, but yeah, that hotel wasn't much to look at the end, does it?
No. Now follow on the road on round and
Yeah.
keep an eye out. There is a co-op. I don't know, it'd be stopping on the hill though.
Can't go wrong, Tom. We don't know where we are.
Well, that's true, yeah, it's as if we're
And I
bound.
go back.
Oh, the bike's there. They're open. No. What the?
They're all fed really well at home or at work.
Well, that up, like it's known, starts work at like 12 o'clock. What time is it? Like 9 o'clock in the morning, is it?
Quarter to 10.
Quarter to 10.
Yeah.
What there now?
In wine bar. Wine bar open, no problem. And the pub was open back down the hill.
Hill here. This'll be fun.
It'll be the back wheels spinning again.
Oh, Jesus. Well, it's going to be spinning going up this.
So here, head left. It's only be going up, 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 up.
Yeah, we'll head left, yeah. For left lane there, is there?
There is, yeah. Left for Geneva. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, well, that's what I mean. I think you'd be putting us straight before you start going over that way. Just indicate over that way, maybe when.
Oh, right there. Sorry.
Jeez.
Me. They're all looking there going, what's this man for that?
Yeah, right, green, yeah, lights are green.
They're all looking going, where the f*** is he going? Yeah, that could have been
Oh,
I don't know what to say.
Oh, yeah. I wanted to get it on camera. The camera's on.
Oh.
Now, keep an eye for coffee bars. Don't be giving out.
Keep an eye for coffee bars, the assholes. Keep an eye for traffic going towards you.
Yeah.
Get ahead of me again. That was the worst move ever. Come on.
That's what happens
No.
when you try to get one over me. That's the guy with the ticket book out doing the bike.
Come on, you get up ahead of me.
I'm looking for the coffee shops.
There's Panda and blah 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 down here, and there's a few places open here down across from the train station.
Yeah, we just have to be careful. Park, yeah, because parking man's on the go out there.
That's
Bernard,
heap of shit.
yeah, there was laughing the bollocks off at you.
Oh, man, where's this man going? It's all bicycle park everywhere. Oh, Jesus, what a nightmare. Go left, Tom, go left. Is there a left right there? Yeah, look at the arrow. It's traffic straight into me. You're stupid. So, I can't be brought anywhere. We could be getting breakfast in the garage.
What have to do? Coffee. See the parking sign there.
Tom, we're not taking that one.
Watch that. If there's a Renault around the outside, he's driving like a lunatic. The boys love the jigsaw. They give you the thumbs up, no?
No? Oh, yeah. Hey, you love these boys here.
Yeah. What's the story with it? No, petrol pumps on this side, no? I'll have to come round. Sick.
Petrol pump, oh, that's diesel.
Diesel, yeah. I'll go round and come back around.
Right, so a bit of Swiss motorway footage. There's Switzerland, everybody. Look at it. Oh, you're going to see.
That's where they make the chocolate bars.
Yeah, they make the chocolate over there, yeah. You can't see the factory though, because you can see nothing.
This would be lovely now if you could see.
Yeah, it'd be lovely if you could see, yeah. This is the rain that was in Marseille. It's just moved up to Switzerland, that's all it is.
Following us around the shop.
Yeah. We just can't stay ahead of it.
No. We just have to go back again, Robbie.
Yeah, but I'm not coming over that Grand Bernard Pass. You can
the sunny day would be lovely.
Do you know what? I would actually do it again.
I'll wait till I see that other camera and then I'll catch up with you.
Oh, so it's an 80 road here.
I'm doing 80.
Why here?
Yeah.
Oh, right, okay.
Are you doing 80?
I am, yeah. I'm doing 80 kilometres an hour, yeah. This now.
It's probably going across the border, is it?
Are we going across the border here? Do we have to stop or what's the story?
See you in a minute, sure. If they don't stop you, then just keep going.
Yeah, it looks like it's just straight through. We're in France.
Won't see.
Well, here. We might have to show a bit of stuff here.
Yeah, we'll see.
Like it's just straight through. There's nobody here.
Yeah.
Right, straight on. We're in France. There's the sign for France. Wanted to catch the sign that said France.
I'll get it. I have it. I'll give you a copy of it.
See, it's a 50 road here. Oh look, it's telling you how many points you're getting. See that?
1 point. Oh, is a nail in them, or is it just saying like you can get?
Depending on the speed you're doing, determines how many more points you're going to get. Some of them was 3 points there.
Was it?
Lad coming up there at 70 and it was like 3 points. I'd say you're right, it's just telling you.
So it's saying slow down where you're going to be done. Robbie! He's snail shack, putting in an barrier there.
Shay Sheridan now is doing the road.
Getting the ground walk. Léché, Sheridan. Many points are you getting, Robbie? Many points?
No points for the Gopro.
0 points. No point.
Irlanda, 0 points.
They wanted felony now in Switzerland.
Eric Zoolander, I can't say it right. Careful on this surface, Tom. It looks like they dropped a load of that shit on the road up here.
Just a lad drove around with a dumper and just left the back door open.
Yeah, the fella on the back with a shovel out onto the road. Get rid of it here, we won't have to do any work later.
It's probably like, oh, I heard you lads wanted to go through the towns. I'm finally listening to you.
Yeah. And out looking for the cheese. If you do it out walking around in the field in that weather. I'm not in the field.
Yeah, it's like
maybe that's the problem.
You'll be dropping here, dropping.
That's okay. We're dropping if we get warmer.
Yeah. That's why it's cold, just because of the
altitude.
Yeah. Within Le Montons.
I hadn't thought of that now because we were climbing for quite a while when we came out of Switzerland. It was all uphill.
I went to put the stand down. I didn't put down fully.
Oh, bollocks.
And the bike near went from under me. So I was like,
you're going to be recording. to see here.
It's more the crack when we see something racist. I prefer something racist because then, you know.
I can do all the races if you want. No problem. Not a problem.
Right, last leg.
Last leg, 30 minutes.
I managed to go from 4th gear to 6th gear.
Oh!
Quick shifting a bit too much. There's your man, the Audi's having a good old look. It's looking good. There's nothing to do more.
I'm still in 3rd gear.
Oh yes, lovely.
Happy days. I think we're in the dead centre of town because we're after passing 2 funeral homes. Another one, 3. 3.
Your man there was in the headphones. He lifted the headphones off the ears to get a listen to legit.
4. 5. What the?
So we're on the right side of town, are we?
This is the dead centre of town. Now look at this. I'm going to give it a watch. I went up for water on me, you asshole.
Jesus Christ, did you watch the gate? Not the road.
Follow the Renault. Follow the Renault. I know nothing about Dijon except they make mustards.
That's all it's the home of the mustards.
So I'd have to get a little jar of mustard. Dijon mustard, por favor. S'il vous plaît. Buongiorno. Dijon mustard, s'il vous plaît.
We've been in too many, we've hit too many places. Probably think it is Spanish.
You know, the heat is getting to us, Tom. We're not used to it.
Too many languages to compute. Although there's another jigsaw lover. Look at the man here on the left.
Oh yeah, give him the old wing wing. Ah yeah, you got the tongue, yeah. Jesus was the bandit the last time, never got a look. I changed the voice to an XJR, never got a look. I'm not going with you anymore until you buy another yoke.
Banger. Let's buy a banger.
Yeah, it's actually shown in the Cardo now. Oh no, it's not. I'm just sick of listening to you going on about the jigsaw. No, seriously, I am sick of listening to you going on. I'm going to make a video. If I had the voice over now, I'd be listen to this. He just doesn't shut up. I'm going to put a video together with all the people that looked at my voice. Would you ever?
Yeah, people left. He's a real French lad, isn't he? With his very...
Did you not hear what the shirt man said to him? You look like a... I told you I'm not coming out with you wearing that stupid thing on your head. This is very nice.
This is nice, yeah, this is nice. Now, we'll have to get out for a walk now the rain has stopped.
Yeah, this is nice here.
It could be a franchise.
These two on the Willy Wonka bikes. This is lovely around here, Tom. This would be nice for some photo opportunités. Le terrain. Here, look, this is a nice spot here, Tom.
Yeah. But don't forget, I'm a wee bit behind you, so...
Oh, are you? Oh, here.
Yeah.
Pull in and wait for the jigsaw.
I was just signing autographs.
Toute direction.
This is like, right lads, thanks for visiting the
Ah, Jesus, lads, where's the hotel? Come on. Here it is, Le Nomad Hotel. We're after doing an hour and a half there, kind of, without a reasonably long stop.
Sure, just dedicated. Probably, that's all it is.
Yeah, it's just...
Tick, actually, no, we're very tick. That's what's wrong with
Oh my God. Please,
that's what it is. We have to be stubborn.
Jesus, if you weren't stubborn, you wouldn't make it through that weather.
Day 9 in the bag. So yeah, a wet day, very wet, soaked to the skin, but thank God the weather has improved as we entered Dijon. Distance travel 214 kilometers. Fuel cost today 18 litres, still a wee bit over €2 on average because we're on the motorways, so €36.21. Food during the day €32.02. Tolls €6.50. Nomad plus meals in the evening €145. We had a few beers or two, so yeah, hence why a bit more expensive. So total cost day 9 €219.73. Total cost so far of the journey €1,363.81, and obviously total distance we've covered so far up to Dijon 2,340 kilometers. Day 9 done. We're going to be heading into day 10 where we go from Dijon up to Reims. So yeah, stay tuned for that one. We'll see you on the other side. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.